Okay guys, so you've learned everything you need to know on the unit circle. At this point you just need to keep practicing completing a unit circle. Eventually we'll take the plate away and you need to be able to draw a quick sketch of the unit circle to get your sine, cosine, and tangent values. So what I want to show for you in this last video before break is how well you need to know your unit circle and how quickly you can fill it out. So here we go. We start at the point 1, 0, where we have 0 and 360 degrees, or 0 and 2 pi radians. And I go by families, so now I'm going to move up to 90, 0, 1, 90 degrees, pi halves, radians. Negative 1, 0, 180 degrees, pi radians. And remember, that's our basis for pi. 0, negative 1, 270 degrees, 3 pi halves radians. Okay. 30 degrees, pi 6 radians, root 3 over 2, 1/2. Let's go through the 30 families. 150 degrees, 5 pi 6 radians, negative root 3 over 2, 1/2. 210, 7 pi 6, negative root 3 over 2, negative 1/2. 330 degrees, 11 pi 6, root 3 over 2, negative 1/2. 60 family. Sorry, 45 family. Pi over 4 radians, root 2 over 2, root 2 over 2. 135, 3 pi over 4 radians, negative root 2 over 2, root 2 over 2. 225 degrees, 5 pi 4ths radians, negative root 2 over 2, negative root 2 over 2. 315 degrees, 7 pi 4ths radians, root 2 over 2, negative root 2 over 2. 60 degree family, pi 3rds radians. Notice it's the inverse of 30, so you switch x and y. 1/2 root 3 over 2. So truly I only remember 30, 45 in the quadrantals, and I know 60 is 30 flipped. In quadrant 2 we have 120 degrees, which is 2 60s, 2 pi 3rds radians, negative 1/2 root 3 over 2. In quadrant 3, 240 degrees, which is 4 60s, 4 pi 3rds radians, negative 1/2, negative root 3 over 2. And finally, 300 degrees, 5 pi 3rds radians, 1/2, negative root 3 over 2. That's essentially it. Remembering that x is cosine, y is sine. So if I look at any of these y values, those are the sines. Sine of 90 is 1, sine of 5 pi 6 is 1/2, sine of 225 is negative root 2 over 2, and so on. X is cosine. Cosine of pi 4ths is root 2 over 2. Cosine of 2 pi 3rds is negative 1/2. Cosine of 270 is 0, and so on. Tangent is slope. Slope of every horizontal line is 0. Every vertical line is undefined. 45 is 1. Reflected is negative 1. Tan of 30, lots of 3's, root 3 over 3. Same for 210. 150 is just the negative root 3 over 3's. 60, root 3. 240, positive root 3. The reflections are negative. And that's all. That's as fast as you need to be to label your unit circle.